Ito ang aking gold lane tier list updated as of April 2026. Narito na naman tayo sa 2 choices na meron kayo. For the last few months, honestly, ang gold lane ay talagang limitado lamang ang choices. It's either you go for early game fighter gold lane such as the Sora or the Freya na mataas yung snowball potential, or you go for ultra late game scaling marksmen such as the Claude and the Carry. Carry, in particular, I feel like is the god of marksman ngayon, considering na lahat ng mga scenarios ay medyo nasa tuktok talaga siya, with Claude being a close second. Ngayon, yung lumang meta, katulad na lamang ni Harith at ni Granger, ay available pa rin naman. Because most of the time, in a 5-ban system, natatanggal naman si Freya at si Sora. If wala na yung dalawang fighter gold lanes na yun, and you still want something the same nature na nagso-snowball, early game marksman, Harith and Granger are still your choices. In terms of overall utility, nasa gold lane mong gustong kunin, Yi Sun-Shin Gold is also good for global pressure and snowball. And the same could be said for Moskov na may global pressure ka pero mas late game centric yung itsura nun. So kung napapansin nyo, very straightforward yung role natin. It's either you go hard from early game snowball or you invest for late game scenarios.